guys, we're here now at the blowholes. Whoa! I'm so excited to eat. It's flapping! It's a little flapper! It's flipping and flapping! Last day with Aussie's fam before we depart tomorrow. Guys, look, there's the blowholes. Look how beautiful that is. So beauty.
What?
How much is it? Entry fee? It's $5. This is their toilets. Well, at least they're making toilets now. They never used to have toilets before. But like, if we're going to be paying and it's going to be a sightseeing place, you better make toilets. Whoa, look at those big blowholes. Hey guys, we're here now at the blowholes. It's so beautiful. Look at it, guys. Look at those holes. Look at those bullholes just blowing up. Got singers here. Ready? That one over there. Whoa! Sorry for yelling, but man, that's awesome. Aussie's got to move the car. Whoa! Look at it, guys! It's so cool! Look how cool it is. Ready, ready, ready? Ready? It's coming. Woo! You have to be careful it doesn't donk someone's head. Oh, I'm getting so wet. It's going in my ears. Watch out! I told you! Whoa! I can't get, I feel like a little kid, honestly. I can't get over it, it's just so beautiful. Kaya kele oisut. Big one!
Wasa miya kawa yes, yang ngai kaking oisan.
Did it? Whoa. We're here in Vailoa, guys. We just passed up with Gao. I'm sorry we didn't get it because Aussie's talking too much.
It's Tuesday afternoon, so we just finished driving around Savati. Now we came here to the chair over. We need to fit our tummy.
Yes.
Look guys, this is so beautiful guys. Chair over here in Savati. Beautiful. This big playground at the back there. Playground at the back there. This is our lunch. Look how nice it is. The salad, chicken, fries, sausage, salad, fries. My tummy is hungry now. I'm hungry. So now I'm gonna finish all this food. Yeah.
Guys, I'm so excited to eat. We're here at the Swimming Turtles now. I can see people are selling their news. Hey, we've only got one CD, so we're just like playing the same song over and over. It's like the only good song on this CD. Yeah. No, you go here. We're not sure if we'll swim today. Oh, this is the best weather to swim, to be honest. It's like sprinkling. nga long fa ko much kuru sud. Stage of 4 are free. Please remind me. I wish I brought my case for my thing. You could go underwater. How can I forget it? I always forget it when I come. Look, I see one. Oh, hello. Hello, little turtley turtle. There's so many. I need the other battery.
You can feed them.
Oh, thank you. We get to feed them. Yay. I'm going to get it on camera before it dies. I can feel their little nudges. This is wonderful.
Oh, you want some? You want some? You want some? Okay. Okay. Okay, you want some?
You're so cutie. Get that small one. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's flapping! It's a little flapper! It's flipping and flapping! Wait, hold it. Face this way. It is not happy. Wait. Get a photo. Smile, babe.
Ah.
Why?
Is that nice?
Yeah, look. Look at these photos, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Look at Ossie's face. He is so excited. That turtle does not seem too impressed. They stink, eh?
No. What is this stink for?
Come get some. Guys, we paid to swim here, but I don't feel like swimming in this water. It looks so dirty. And I'm scared. There's like turtles everywhere. Look at this guy putting his ass in my face. Hold its flippers. It's going to flip and flap again. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh, hello there. Here, let me get good angles. Good lighting. Face this way.
Oh.
Hold it down.
Totally. Hello?
Can I hold it? Is it too heavy? Is it heavy?
Yeah.
No, put it back down. I can't hold it. Also, you have to go in first. You're the man. You have to check if it's safe. There's only us. If there were like more people here swimming, then I would be okay with it. But it's like only us. Wait, oh, go while we want to swim, mate. Yeah, Aussie boy. Yeah, appreciate it. The dad bod, except he's not a dad.
Oh.
You can't ride them, Aussie.
Huh?
You can't ride them.
Why?
Because it says on the board. Yeah, you just swim with them, but you can't like hold on to it. Oh, picolale. It's a seaweed. It's like slimy. Okay, only Aussie's jumping in. I'm not going in.
Take the phone.
Is it cold? They might nip your nads. So Aussie ended up jumping in. I didn't jump in because the water doesn't look nice to me. And so I'm gonna swim somewhere else, but it was so awesome to see the turtles, to hold it. We hope you guys enjoyed it as well. There are so many turtles here. I just don't know how they got here because this is not a beach. So they obviously captured them and put them here. But I mean, they look well. None of them are dead that I know of. So I don't know, it's fine. Look, this one's like just floating there. What are you doing? What's that turtle doing? I think it's stuck. How did you like it?
Not bad. It's really good.
Did you like swimming with the turtles?
Yep. I like to be getting wet before guys say something to me.
Everyone, actually, the reason why Aussie jumped in was because, as you guys know, everyone on live egged him on and told him to jump in. And Aussie, if you know Aussie, you know that he does not like to be challenged and sound like a wuss. So he took the bait and he jumped in. Aussie, was it worth it?
Yeah.
Like, was it worth to jump in? Thank you very much, this Ainga, for letting us be here and taking our $7. Kaya. Also, I know a lot of you guys have asked if I can put subtitles when people speak Samoan. It is so time consuming, and especially I'm trying to upload while I'm in Samoa and I don't have a laptop screen. I'm using a monitor. It is truly hard to add subtitles and still get it up in a timely manner. So I will try my very best. Morning guys, it's Wednesday today and it's our last day with Aussie's fam before we depart tomorrow. So we're just making breakfast and I keep trying to do something, but they keep telling me to sit down. But Aussie and his bro are there. I wanted to film them, but now they stood up. They were singing. It was pretty funny. You got mum here. She wants to go and get bread. Look at this little puppy. Hello. Hello. Hi, Papa. Hi, Pup. Hi, Pup. This little terror kid like terrorizes this poor puppy. Hey, Taken. Oh my gosh, look at him. He pulls his tail and everything. Hey, bub. Ow. We got Layla here. Hey, Layla. Oh my gosh, I did not see that. Oh my god, that poor pig. It was a mom. Oh my god, that is so sad. They're making a umu for Aussie's older sister's event, function thingy.
So we're doing a fit out for some more here. For the home. Yeah, show you guys.
These guys put the taro straight on. My dad foils his. Hey, Pita. Oh, see, that's not funny. It's not a boxing bag.
Boxing bag?
No, it's not. This is why I refuse to eat pig in Samoa. Because, like, the way it's killed is just so brutal. Ew. I just swept for 5 minutes and I'm already so hot. The crappy thing about Samoan houses is all the bugs that come in at night. Aussie's brother-in-law's brother has been making these guys chairs, furniture. Big job out there. We've got 3 already there. He's making tables. It's a wonderful, wonderful set. Because these ones are quite broken. All the broken ones are outside as well. Hi, Volley. Volley! Hi, Volley.
Hi.
His name's Vilo, but I call him Volley. Hi, Joshua. It's been a couple of hours now since I last picked up the camera. I've just been editing a vlog in the room. Aussie's been asleep out in the kitchen. My ears are still kind of blocked from yesterday at the Vai. I'm trying to open them, but they ain't opening. We're about to go to the Ngu'u. They call it the Ngu'u. It's like a tiny little island. Yeah, it's like a tiny little island that way, and we walk there through the ocean. They've apparently found a way. They've apparently found a way to get there where it's like walking. You're able to walk instead of like swimming and stuff. So we're gonna go check that out, and we will take you guys with us. Guys, look, our photos are up in the house.
Up in the house.
Our wedding photos. Wow. Yeah, I got 2 there. So pretty. Look at this Mexican. Look, guys, they're forcing me to wear this hat. I look like a cowboy. Cowgirl.
Cowboy hat. Now guys, we're going to the island. Beautiful island. So if you want to come and visit here, yeah, comment down below, and I'll tell some of my family to show you guys. You see the beautiful island there? Yeah, it's close to my village here. You see it?
Are you everyone holding their shoes? Should I hold my shoes?
Yeah, say bell shoes.
Hey guys, gotta put on the accent to match. Hey, man. I've never done this before.